Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zikri Kebaik Muhammad Nazri. Today, we will conduct a road safety audit known as RSA at Jalan Ilmu near Bukit Tonggit. Our first audit will be an evaluation of the road cross-section which to determine the width of the lane and marginal strip by using road measuring rule. From the data obtained, we could conclude that the road cross-section at Jalan Ilmu is adequate accordingly to the arahan teknik jalan ATJ which endorsed by Jabatan Kerja Raya JKR. Our next evaluation will be on the road alignment at the vertical curve road. As we can see, there are limitation of sight distance for the vehicle that move from downhill to uphill, and also a limitation of sight distance for the vehicle that move from uphill to downhill. There are some mitigation that could be done, which by enhancing road pavement and install chevron alignment to alert the road users. We could also mitigate this issue by installing the warning signage at the first point where the vertical curve road starts.
Hi, my name is Afif Ashraf bin Emil Aniza. Our next evaluation will be a speed test, which is to determine the speed of the vehicle on vertical curve road. The apparatus needed is a radar gun and a data sheet to record our data. First of all, switch on the radar gun and set it up to kilometers per hour. Then we need to point the radar gun at the desired vehicle. Next, we need to push the button on the radar gun until the beeping sound appears. The speed of the vehicle can be read on the radar gun display. The data was then recorded on the data sheet. From the data gained, we conclude that the most of the road users fail to obey the speed limit which is displayed on the road sign. Some of them are speeding at very high speed within the campus area. Next, we will evaluate the vulnerable road user infrastructure. Vulnerable road user infrastructure is tailored to protect non-motorized and exposed commuters such as pedestrians, cyclists, and the disabled from heavy and fast-moving motor vehicles. As in the audit video, we could see the existence of pedestrian walkway on the left side of the lane. However, there is no dedicated shared cyclist lane on the left side of the lane. An improvement that could be made is to reconstruct the road marking for the cyclist lane with specific modification to ensure safety for both heavy and light vehicles.
My name is Hazim Muhaimi bin Muhammad Hazali, and I will continue our evaluation of the road safety features to identify the design equipment to protect users, prevent accidents and minimize the risk of injuries such as guardrails, pedestrian barriers and zebra crossings. As in this video, we could notice the presence of guardrails along the road at Jalan Ilmu. However, we lack a pedestrian barrier between the walkway which may expose pedestrians to the risk of danger. And if we move to the peak point of the vertical curve at the road junction, we identify that there are no zebra crossing nearby for pedestrians to cross the road from one place to another, which may cause danger. We will move to landscaping evaluation to determine whether road landscape disturbs the visibility of the road users. Along Jalan Ilmu, we notice an inappropriate location of street lighting in the middle of the walkway that will disturb the pedestrians. We also notice an overgrown plant that disturbs the sight of the road users to see the signage. A few mitigation that could be done. It includes relocation of the street lighting and trimming the overgrown plant that obstructs the road sign.
Hi, my name is Yamin Bukhari bin Mazhar, and I will conduct an evaluation on traffic signal to determine the presence of traffic control to slow down a vehicle. As in this video, we could see a presence of traverse bars or rumble strips along the vertical curve road. We also could notice a presence of a speed bump before the downhill road at the vertical curve road. However, there is no speed bump in the middle of the downhill road, just like we had at Genting Highland to reduce the speed of our vehicles. We also noticed that there is no storage lane and temper marking at nearby junction to control traffic and prevent a vehicle collision caused by the acceleration at the vertical curve road. An improvement could be done, which is to improve the thick of the rumble strip and to construct additional speed bump at the middle of the vertical curve road, and lastly, to do a modification to add storage lane to ensure smooth traffic flow. Next, we will move our evaluation on the visual aid along the Jalan Ilmu. we could notice a speed bump sign, speed limit with 4-lane junction sign, a skidding sign and also chevron delineator sign. However, there are some of the improvements that can be done, which is to add the zebra crossings together with their signage. We could also add the 3-leg junction sign nearby the junction of the Bukit Tonggek, a slow warning sign and additional speed bump to slow down the vehicle at the vertical curve road together with their signage. Other than that, we could also install LED light or bulb on chevron delineator sign to help improve road user visibility at night.
Hi, my name is Amar Hafiz Behasan and I will continue our evaluation on the road surface. As we can see, our road has smooth surface and no potholes. We also could not identify any disc road damage along the roads. However, we noticed some of the wastage of bitumen at the roadside nearby junction, which may bring discomfort to the road user. Next, the last evaluation will be on the street lighting. At the vertical curve road of Jalan Ilmu, there is sufficient street lighting. However, we may want to consider an additional street lighting at the junction nearby Bukit Tonggek due to insufficient lighting we had there. In conclusion, a road safety audit is important to ensure the safety road users, including motorists, cyclists and pedestrians. A well-designed and properly maintained road can reduce the risk of the accidents and improve the overall safety for road users. Effective traffic control measures such as speed bumps, transverse bar and road marking helps control vehicle speed and encourage safer driving behaviour. Road safety features including guardrails, safety barriers are also important as they help minimize the crash fatality when accidents happen. It is also important for highway engineers to design a road curve safely to give a comfortable sight distance to road users. Finally, an efficient and reliable design road lighting system enhances the visibility during night times, enabling road users to travel more safely under the low light conditions.